For 12 years, he walked a path where no one followed him. There were no cheers, no applause, and no signs of success ahead. Every morning began quietly, with determination hidden behind routine. Every night ended with unanswered questions and tired hope. He learned early that explaining dreams to doubters only weakens belief. So he chose silence instead of seeking validation. He chose work instead of words. He chose patience instead of arguments. In the first year, he looked ordinary to everyone around him, just another face in a crowd chasing survival. When he spoke about growth, people smiled politely. They smiled, but they didn't listen. That quiet dismissal hurt more than open criticism. The second year tested his patience deeply. Money was limited and opportunities were rare. Every mistake felt expensive and personal. Advice arrived wrapped in concern and doubt. They told him to be realistic and choose safety. He noticed something important during those conversations. None of them were living the life he wanted. So he listened without reacting, and he continued without explaining. The third year brought loneliness. Others were moving forward in visible ways. Promotions, celebrations, and milestones surrounded him. Meanwhile, he was building something invisible, something without proof or recognition. Doubt visited him during long silent nights. He questioned whether faith without results was foolish. Each time, the answer was the same. Stopping would hurt more than continuing. The fourth year introduced slow failures. Plans didn't work the way he imagined. Efforts didn't return rewards. Days felt wasted even though he was exhausted. That was when he learned a powerful truth. Success is not destroyed by one big failure. It is destroyed by many small disappointments. So he stopped waiting for motivation. He began relying on discipline instead. By the fifth year, people stopped asking about his journey. They assumed he had quit. That assumption brought unexpected peace. No expectations meant no pressure. No pressure meant deeper focus. He started learning what others avoided. He practiced skills that took years to master. He fixed weaknesses instead of hiding them. The world still saw nothing, but inside, growth was undeniable. The sixth year changed his mindset completely. He stopped measuring progress by outcomes. Growth became his definition of success. Lessons mattered more than wins. Transformation was happening quietly. The seventh year tested endurance like never before. No breakthroughs appeared. No signs confirmed his efforts. Quitting felt logical and tempting, but staying felt necessary. He stayed because quitting meant accepting doubt. The eighth year brought clarity. His work became sharper and intentional. His thinking grew calmer and focused. He was no longer preparing. He was becoming. The ninth year opened a small door. It wasn't dramatic or loud. Many would have missed it. He noticed because he was ready. Preparation met opportunity in silence. He stepped forward without hesitation. The 10th year revealed quiet results. Progress became visible, but not celebrated. Doubters grew silent. Observers turned into listeners. He chose not to explain himself. The 11th year felt lighter, not because struggle ended, but because he had survived worse. Experience replaced fear with confidence. His work spoke where words once failed. Consistency defended his choices. Respect arrived naturally over time. Then came the 12th year. Everything finally connected. The isolation, the doubt, the patience. All of it made sense now, not because the world applauded, but because he no longer needed it. Silent effort had compounded into strength. People asked how he stayed focused. He smiled, knowing the truth was simple. He stopped explaining himself. He started investing in himself. He respected the process above opinions, and without ever making noise. His journey spoke louder than he ever could.